the reveal time. And now you need to crush it with this. Okay, my cat actually broke this eyeshadow palette, and I have learned a new hack through which I can fix the eye shades. So let me show you the things that you need for it. Baby, oi. You need a plastic mat, a plate, a spoon, some tissues, and a stone. So first take the broken eye shade separately in a plate. Don't mix the two shadows, alright? So this is a very beautiful blue eye shade, and now you need to crush it with this. Okay? Yes. It breaks my heart to see like that. But yeah, it's important to crush it because you have to put them back in the palette again. Alright, and now I'm going to put it again in the same palette very carefully. Very carefully. Don't let it fall. Don't worry if it's going over there because we have the end of the spoon, this thing, and we're going to fix it with this. And once it's like that, you have to press it very gently with the spoon and don't worry about the fallouts. It's going to be fine. And now we'll do the same thing with this eyeshadow, the blue one. And now crush it too. Make a fine powder. So accidentally I've mixed the two shades here, but still I have the darker blue more in this combination, so it's all well. And I know that looks messy, but try to arrange it as carefully as you can. Okay, very smoothly with the spoon. So I'm going to clean the corners with this tissue and then put the stone on top of it. I don't know why the shadow actually seems so much after I crushed it. Before it was not that much. It's a magic. I'm going to put some tissue now on top of it like so, and the weight. And now I'm going to just press it with this stone from both the sides. And let's see if it's gonna work or not. And now the reveal time. Ding, ding. Oh my god. Look at that. This hack actually works. The shades are actually stick to the bottom. Yeah, it does not look good, but yeah, they are sticked pretty well. So full marks to the hack. And I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Kindly do like and subscribe to my channel. Ciao from the shades to We Are Fixed.